What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you had an absolutely spectacular weekend. We're going to go over our friend BTC. It's pulled back into our wave 4 pullback zone. We're sitting at 29.3K, down 3% on the day. See a market cap of 569 billion, 24-hour volume 17.71 billion. Let's hop into the charts. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So as you can see, looks like we've gone through a typical ABC correction into our wave 4 pullback zone. Now 29.2K does have to hold, or else it will invalidate that as a wave 4, and you'd have to look at a recount. Potentially, that would be a really short wave 5. If this was the wave, let me grab that orange one. That was your wave 3 high, and you pull back in a 4, and you just push up in a 5, because this orange wave count starts all the way down here, so that would be a very short wave 5, but it did break the wave 3. So if we were to break 29.2K, then that could be a potential wave count. But until then, we are oversold on the hourly, on the money flow. If we do bounce from that level, 29.2K, the max retracement for a wave 4, then your wave 5 target would be about 31.6, 31.7K, which would be the 618 extension. We'll have to see how that plays out. Daily time frame does look like we're coming back down to the 20 EMA. Basically, you're retesting this bull flag pattern, ascending triangle, or bull pennant. As you can see, we did break out, so potentially it's looking to come back down for a retest. Retest the 20 EMA, which is currently sitting at about 29.1K. DXY is finally starting to bounce from this large support box that we've dropped in. As we've shown previously, there's a ton of support at this level, and we are seeing a nice bounce right off 100. So of course, if the DXY were to see continuation to the upside, that would be negative for BTC. To break down from this white support box, then we could definitely see a much larger correction. I do think the 5-wave move is complete for the DXY. If we zoom out to the weekly time frame and look at this wave count from the low here, you have a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, and a final wave 5. So we may be going through an ABC correction. And basically what you'd be looking at for the DXY is that your A wave down, potential wave B, and then you come down to wave C. We'll have to see how that plays out. Looking at our fractal on the weekly, if this is going to continue to play out in 2019 after the 3 weeks of consolidation, we had a week of breakout, and then the second week was quite a larger substantial move to the upside. So we are now in the second week after the first week of breakout. So if we do continue to follow that fractal, then we would see a large increase to the upside. Of course, that's not promised. We'll have to see how that plays out. But in a couple of weeks' time, we will see the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55 EMA. And as I've been mentioning, that is a signal that is yet to fail in the crypto market, signaling that the bottom is in and the bull market is starting. Crypto fear greed. We're super greedy right now. 69. I posted in the Discord. We're almost as high as we were at the all-time high of 69K. At 69K, we were at 75 on the crypto fear, and now we're at 69, as you can see here. So we're getting really, really greedy, and that's when the whales like to take advantage. They take their profits, and basically retail is pushing up the price, and then you see that large pullback. So that could be coming soon for the price of BTC. So key support to hold for this wave 4 is 29.2K. As I mentioned, if that support is lost, potentially we'd have to look at this 5-wave move being complete and seeing a larger pullback. But if we can bounce from that support, then your wave 5 target is 31.7K. So make sure to sign up to one of the exchanges, either Bitkit or Bybit. I do the majority of my trading here on Bitkit, up to 8K in bonuses, up to 30K in bonuses on Bybit. Check out my full length tutorials. Email me your sign up email to jaxdiscord77@gmail.com, and you get completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, trade signals, all types of goodies. And if you make your first deposit to one of the exchanges, takes 2 minutes, 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, members post their profits in here, Mahalo alt plays. It's $10 a month if you want direct access to the Patreon, but as I mentioned, if you make your first deposit on one of the exchanges, 30-day free trial. Just email me your sign up email and I'll give you free access, no strings attached. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.